got? Let me see. TBT, baby.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, baby. Yeah, I don't know what happened right there. Something tried to got him. Let him go. Hey, we out here catching fish in the woods. Raymond trying to. Hey, turn that pole backwards. How I'm gonna grab it? I got a fish in one hand, my phone in the other hand, bro. Come on.
TBT, baby. Show me what you got, man. TBT, man. We out here, man.
I'm out of there. I ain't got no pliers. I'm trying to be. Not trying to hurt the fish, I promise. In fact, I value my lure more than I value the fish. Come on.
Oh, that top lip. Do it.
Right here in this, all this fat. You ain't got no. Like, whoa.
Hold it.
Hey, back to back. Back to back.
TBT, baby. You know what I'm saying? TBT, baby. You know what I'm saying? TBT, man. Look at that. That's a monster, baby. Oh, got him. Got him. Got him, baby. TBT, man. Come on, baby. There you go. Got him, baby. TBT, man. TBT, man. That's what we do. That's how we do it, man. Oh. Got one.
Dang, I'm stuck on it. Come on, bro. Don't do that. Oh, I got it.
TBT, man, that's how we do it, baby. Left and right, baby. We already on like 6, 7. Hey, I'm a professional, man. Oh. I thought I had one.
Thought you had a two, huh? Uh-oh.
Got him.
Uh-oh.
Got him. TBT, baby.
Ooh, he's fighting hard, bro.
Make sure you step.
Oh, no.
You lost it?
He broke it. Bro, that fish was so big. Dang.
Took the whole lure?
Bro, look.
Dang, bro.
That fish was
We got
big.
some monsters over here, baby.
Oh my God, bro. My mind never breaks.
Look at this. Tackleback Team TV. You know what I'm saying?
Hey.
Check it out.
Okay. That is okay. I got something for you, Mr. Oh.
Come on, I need to get one while Ed over there. I got all this water right here. Let me try this side. We haven't tried this side yet. We ain't tried this side yet. Let me see. Let's see what's over there.
Bro, he was so big.
Come on, come on, come on. Hey. You gotta talk to the fish. Fast whisper, you know what I'm saying? You gotta whisper to them boys. Is that right, Alex? You know what I'm saying? I need a seven. Oh, got him. Got him, baby. TBT, man. Oh, shoot, bro. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, that boy fighting. Oh, that boy fight. Oh, that boy fight. I'm trying, bro. That boy fight. Watch out. Oh, that boy fighting. Ah. Get him, bro.
Ah, he's splashing water out of my face.
Let me see. Ooh. Ah. Got him, baby. TBT, man. You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
Sorry about your phone, man. Look at these fish eggs. Look at look. Hey, TBT, man. Let me get a close up. Look. Look at that. That's how we catching them over here, man, back to back. Hey, y'all want to catch some fish? Y'all say y'all got them bass spots? We got the bass spot, baby.
Undisclosed location.
Look at that. All day, every day. Just like that, baby. Let's go. Watch this. Right back out there. No, they right there. That's what Granddaddy at. Oh, look, that's what Granddaddy at, baby. Huh? That's what Granddaddy. Yeah, look. Hey, I know what Granddaddy at. Oh, yeah, that's a big boy. Oh, shit, yeah. Come on. Ooh, I wish y'all could see that thing jumping in the water. I'm sorry, y'all ain't getting all this. We should have hired somebody to come film this thing. Ooh wee. Back to back, baby. Oh, this thing big. Oh,
Come over here, come over here, come over here.
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, get him, man. Woo. Let me see. Let me stun on him a little more. Let me stun. Oh. Ah. Back to back. I just showed y'all this. Showing y'all again, baby.
Man, that's the same fish.
The same fish?
Yeah, that's the same exact fish.
Probably is. Tackleback team, that don't matter. Same fish or not.
Look at his belly, bro. This ain't easy.
Look at that. These things healthy, man. It's edible, but I ain't gonna eat it. Not this time. TBT, catch and release. Bass fishing, private spot. You wanna come over here? Hit us up. Catch and release. Let's eat. This ain't even spawn season. I hit it like this. This is spawn season. Right there. Way out there. I'm going straight out.
Come on, bro.
Straight out. Work. 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 Oh, spoke too soon. Oh, spoke too soon, baby. TBT. Oh, shoot. Ooh-wee. TBT, baby. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Got him.
This is my color.
Got him.
It's making me mad.
Got him, baby. Got him. What that boy almost say? Easy money. Oh, shoot. Tackle back team. Y'all stay tuned, man. We having a good day out here. The rain about to come. So tomorrow may not be looking too good, but today we gonna slay the TBT way. Tackle back team TV. Stay tuned. Catch and release.
Yeah.
Got one.
Got one?
Yeah.
Eat, man. Eat, young.
Yeah.
Make sure you put that in front of my camera.
Yeah.
Eat, young.
Get in here. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Get in here.
Eat, young.
There's a catfish, bro. Look.
Man.
What is this?
This boy got a catfish by the tail. Man.
Come on, man.
It's so good out here, man. Boy, I start a bonfire right now. Make me a little sandwich. He over here catching trees. Look. We supposed to be catching bass. He over here catching trees. All right. TBT, we out here at this spot, pulling up these bass back to back. I'm on like number 6, 7. Got my boy Ed right there. He on about 6, 7. And there's more to come. Y'all just keep on looking. TBT, man. Got him. Got him. Come over here. Got him. Got him, baby. Oh, man, you slow, man. You slow. Don't pull it, bro. Don't pull it. Bro, stop trying to do that, man. Here, pull it. Wrap it around. Man, he done got it.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Look at the fish. Oh, oh, shoot, bro. Oh. Man, you. Ooh.
Okay, I'll.
TBT, baby. Man, that's how we do it, man. High level, man. Check us out. Tackle Back Team TV, man. Stay tuned. Look at that. Who won that way? Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, they right there, bro. Hey, get that thing straight out there, towards those rocks. Get it right towards those rocks. You get the first fish. Come on, I'm gonna let you have it. Right towards those rocks. Right over there. Yep. Further out that way, further to the right. What is that Goldie low? Where you from, bro? Look. Huh? I don't like this pole, bro. I want one of them. Ooh. Put that thing in the camera, man. You know it's a baby. Remember that yesterday, your first catch?
It looks like this.
The baby. That's how we always start, man. Don't worry about the blinking. GT, man. That's how we start off. Look. That ain't far enough. I need right by those trees. Oh, got him. Got him, baby. Let's eat. Oh. Let's eat. CBT, baby. Ooh, let's eat. Got him. It's like fly. Like he's yours. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that.
I ain't caught that, Steven. What happened? What happened? Why can't like that for?
Yeah. Been waiting to say something. Shoot. CBT, man. 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. We at the same spot, doing the same thing. Pretty fish. Look at that. Who did this before? Yeah. TBT done made history. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. That thing got a big appetite. This boy done caught a bird. Oh, you done caught a bird, man. Hey. CBT, man. We not trying to harm the bird. Hey, they coming down for the